this video, I'm going to show you how to clean up disk space on your Mac computer. So whether you have a MacBook Air or a MacBook Pro, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to free up some storage space. Now, the very first thing you need to do is go and click on Finder in the bottom left-hand side. And then you need to click on Applications from this left-hand navigation. Now, this is going to show you all of the applications that are installed on your Mac computer. And basically, each of these applications are going to be taking up a certain amount of storage space. So if there's an application here that either you don't use or you no longer need on your computer, then all we're simply going to do is right-click on the application and then click on the Move to Trash button. You can then continue to go through these applications and to delete anything you no longer need. Once you've done that, go and click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side and click on System Settings. You can then click on General and click on Storage. Now, this is going to give you a breakdown of where your storage is being used on your Mac computer. So you can see at the top here how much space is being used and how much space we still have available. Now, it's also going to give you some recommendations of how to actually save some storage space. So what I'd suggest to do is go through this list of recommendations. So you can see right here, one for me says optimize storage. I can go and click on this optimize button and I can just press the optimize button again. And that's one quick way to save some storage space. Now you can also save your files in the iCloud instead of locally on your PC. So if you haven't already done this, you can press the Store in iCloud button and you can just make sure these are selected and click on the Store in iCloud. Now once you've done that, go and double click on the trash button at the bottom of this page and then click on Empty Trash and click on the Empty Trash button. You can then click on Done. And once you've done that, we can go and close out of this window. You can then open up the Finder in the bottom left-hand side and click on Downloads in the left navigation. Now, this Downloads folder is a really common place which takes up a lot of storage space. So over time, as you start downloading things onto your computer, everything just tends to get stored in this one single folder. So what I'd recommend doing is just going and clearing this out just by pressing the Command and the letter A on your keyboard to select everything. You can then go in, right click, and then you can click on the Move to Trash button. Just make sure obviously there's nothing in this folder that you want to keep. And then once you've done that, you can go in and open up the trash in the bottom right hand side, and you can just click on the Empty button to empty the recycle bin. Now the final thing you'll need to do is go and open up the Mail app on your computer. Over in the top left hand side where it says All Inboxes, go and right click on this, and you can click on Erase Junk Mail and then just click on this Erase button. This is going to delete all of the spam mail in your Mail account. Now, once you've followed all of these steps, you should have much more storage space available on your Mac. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.